Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell that you will be notified when I post. Like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you for staying the course. So guys, today I will be making chicken lo mein. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients, some of the ingredients that I will be using as I go ahead. The rest will come into place. So this is some spaghetti. I have some chicken breast here that I will be seasoning. I will be dicing up and seasoning in the next clip, and I'll be showing you that. These are some baby corn and some vegetable mix. Everything inside of this already. It's ready for cooking, guys. If you don't, you can always you cannot get this, you can always cut up your own vegetables and use and some soya sauce. Okay guys, so stay tuned as we get this meal together. Okay guys, thank you. So guys, I'm going to be washing my meat with some vinegar. So I'm going ahead now guys and seasoning this chicken. So I'll be adding a tubes of salt, tubes of black pepper, and a tubes of Maggi seasoning. So this is the all-purpose and chicken seasoning together. We're going ahead and rubbing this in. So I'm seasoning this. I'm going to let it soak or marinate for like 20 minutes or until I'm ready to cook. So guys, stay tuned for our next clip of this meal. Guys, and thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Remember to go over to my next channel, that's Beauty and Soul TV. Okay guys, thank you for the love. So guys, next step is that here I have the saucepan getting ready to saute the chicken, and that's the water that I'm going to place the noodles in. I'm just waiting for this to boil up. Guys, this won't take any time to cook. And these are deboned meat, so next 6 to 7 minutes this will be cooked. And that is the noodles over there. Okay guys, and these are easy to prepare meals. You can always try these at home. Don't be afraid, try these meals at home. Okay guys, and remember to check out my next channel, Beauty and Soul TV, guys. And in the previous video before this, we saw my husband doing his thing in the kitchen. Run over to that video and show him some love and support. Yes, we are one. Okay guys, we are one. And thank you for stopping by if you're new here, and if you're not, thank you for tuning in back. Okay guys, so these soon be ready. Yes, and then I'm going to remove these and add my seasoning and my vegetables for our chicken lo mein, my way, my recipe. Here are my chopped vegetables that I'm going to be adding now. And I'm going to also go ahead and make this lo mein sauce. So I have some peppers right here. I'm going to add Chinese sauce, regular Chinese sauce with honey. I'm going to add some sugar to this, and that is going to be my lo mein sauce. I don't like the oyster sauce, and I don't like the oyster sauce, so I'm not going to be adding that. So I'm going to add my sugar now to this. I'll be doing that off camera, and then we're going to return to preparing of the meal. Guys, I'm adding some cooking wine to the sauce. So I remove the chicken from the saucepan, and I'm going to add my chopped onions now. Okay, stay tuned for that. I'm going to saute these. Trying to show you every step as possible. I'm going to add the meat right now. I'm going to add the meat in now. Adding the meat back. Adding my corn. Going to add my noodles now. And yeah. So guys, I've added the noodles to add my vegetables. And then trying to stir these up. Yeah. Add the sauce now. Pour this all over. Yes. I'm going to stir this up and show you the finishing. And this is it, people, coming together. So I'm going to turn the cooker off now and share and present my chicken lo mein. Thank you guys. Guys, remember, don't be afraid to try this meal at home. Simple and easy to prepare. Okay guys, leave a comment on how you think I did in this for this meal. So guys, here is our chicken lo mein. Very easy to prepare, very inexpensive meal. You can always try this at home. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you for stopping by to this channel. Thank you for telling your friends. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Remember to go over to my next channel and like, share, and subscribe. That's Beauty and Soul TV. Okay guys, there you will find daily vlogs, weekend vlogs, and all that, some very informative information sometime from time to time that I share. Okay guys, thank you for growing this channel with me, with us, me and my husband. Okay guys, and as we come to the end of this video, thank you again, and stay tuned for more delicious meal that we have to offer you guys and how to prepare. Thank you.